the character's physique. I'm going to use AY female for this illustration because she has more options. Let's start with the height. You can increase your character's height, you can reduce it, you can increase the weights, and you can reduce it. So you can have different body types from this. So I use the backspace to reset these two values. So you can increase the shoulder, bring it in, or take it out. You can increase the breast size or reduce the breast size. You can take in the belly. You can take in the belly and take it out. You can increase the hip or reduce or take out the hip. You can increase the waist or reduce it. You can increase the butt size or reduce it. You can increase the character's curve, general curve, or reduce it. The male character has the muscle option, which the female doesn't have. Then the kid doesn't have breast, doesn't have butt, and doesn't have curves.